today. To see all of you here, thank you for taking time out to be here. This wouldn't have been possible without the help of our principal from Haro Elementary School. Salamat din sa inyong retanan. Sama-sama tayo babangon ulit para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is a success. And today is a representation of that as we all come together for this historic event, the groundbreaking ceremony of the 15-story Medical Arts and Multi-Specialty Tower.
Hospital at the back will serve as an inspiration that let us follow the mantra of the BBM administration. Less talk, more work. Less boast, more heart. More service, real service. Because if we work for our people, we will always believe that in the Marcos mantra, the best legacy is feeling and serving the people. For several decades, WVSU Medical Center has lived with the old mansion of the Conchas and the old Western College. Our dear First Lady, Attorney Lisa, please relay our thanks to the President dahil siya ang tanging tatay na nagbigay ng bahay na magkakaroon pa ng maraming espesyalista dito.
Happy wedding anniversary. You're still having recitation.